textures SOLIDWORKS. On the part document of the cast using external view, in model tree, specify left mouse button and click right mouse button from the drop down menu. Activate the command appearances and specify model. Right, selecting of material, plastic, metal, painted or rubber. From the list, select the texture and drag, press and hold left mouse button on the model or the model tree to the name. Some metal, maybe chrome. Bronze. And OK. Or select texture and drag, press and hold left mouse button on the model or the model tree or the name. Excuse me. And another. Or drag on all model.